So hi everyone, welcome back once again to daily job sharing series. Basically, what does we do? We share a couple of jobs which is required for you, and today we are going to share a couple of for the freshers. Most of them are for freshers, right? And this is disclaimer, which means whatever job links I'm going to share with you, just authenticate from your end because I don't want you to be part of any scam, right? Now let's get started. So guys, this is the first opening that we found on the internet, which is from Encrypt Edge Labs. So they are hiring for a lot of positions: network security engineer, application security engineer, cloud security engineer, red team intern, and all the things you can see here, right? So this is the mail ID on which you can drop your resume. It's not a mail ID, it's a URL basically on which you can just check out this subdomain and you can get some sort of information from there. By the way, this is what you can see the if you want to learn about web application pen testing, then join the upper link. If you want to learn about SOC, then take the bottom link, right? Now next is SOC Labs. They are hiring for VAPT analyst. 0 to 2 years of experience required. They are hiring for a very long time, so probably you might get hired. Careers ID at SOCLabs.com is the mail on which you can drop resume, right? Next is SOC analyst fresher role is there. This is what you will see. If you are absolute fresher, then you can join. This is remote. This is full-time role. The other basically what you can see responsibility that will be assigned to you. Probably it's related to L1 role, right? And preferred skills is what you can see here. And this is why to join my SOC labs. And on the bottom that you can see the mail ID on which you need to drop your zip, right? So this is what we have right now. Now the next opening is basically someone is searching for the manager and security operation center, right? The role is actually 100% remote and operates Eastern time located. Preferred is ET, CT, MT. This is what you can get paid, and 10% is a bonus. And this is the mail ID on which you can drop it, right? Now the next opening is basically VAPT intern 0 to 1 years experience required, then SOC L1 Wazoo 2+ years of experience required, then SOC L2 Wazoo 5+ years of experience required, right? And this is mail ID on which you can drop your resume. This is a remote job, by the way, and this is what you can see the mail ID on which you can drop your resume. And this is like freshers friendly role because VAPT is what you can see here. Now someone is hiring for the SOC L3, 5 days a week, right? Any EDR knowledge should be there, any SIEM or SOCL3 incident response. 24 into 7 your role, like you'll be working in afternoon shift, which is probably from 12 p.m. to let's say 8 p.m. Right. So this is what you can see. And couple more information, just pause this video and watch it out. And this is the mail ID on which you can drop resume, right? Now the next is basically not, we don't have anything. This is the another YouTube channel that we have which is on Hindi. We are going to teach you a lot of things there, so that is going to help you out, right? So this is what you can see, the mail IDs and all those things. So not a mail ID. Basically, if you want to learn about web application pen testing, check out this URL. If you want to learn about SOC, then check out this URL, right? So thank you guys, thank you very much for watching this video. Have a great day. Jai Hind.